Eric. Alyssa, do you see what I have?
Yeah, can I hold it?
Oh, are you so excited?
Uh-oh, I see a sleeve.
What do you think, honey?
Is it a girl? Or a boy?
What do you think, Alyssa?
What do you think? Do you think it's a girl or a boy?
I think it's a girl. Oh, a little girl.
You're right, honey. It's a little girl.
You're doing such a good job. You're doing such a good job.
Yeah, they're a little floppy like that at first. Alyssa, it's a little girl. It's your little sister.
Yeah. I'm not sure you like
She has a little bit of hair, doesn't she?
Yeah, real tight.